Good morning, students. Welcome back to the third session of chapter number 4, Enhancing a Presentation. Students, in second session, we learned animation effects, and I hope that you have practiced it at your home. Yes, students? Now, in this session, we will learn about transition effects and printing a presentation. So, let's start.
Standard 6, Subject Computer, Chapter 4, Enhancing a Presentation, Session 3. First of all, let's see transition effects. Transition effects appear when one slide changes to the other during a slideshow. You can add the same transition effect to all slides or give a different transition effect to every slide. Students, let's see how to add slide transition effects. First of all, click on the Transitions tab and then in the transition to this slide group, select this More option. Now from this effects, you have to select any one effect of your choice. Here I am selecting Push effect. Okay, students. Now in the transitions to this slide group, select these effect options. Now here you can see different effects of the push transition effect. So here I am selecting from right. Okay, students. Now specify the amount of time the transition should take by putting a value in the duration box in the timing group. So this is timing group and this is duration box. So here I am increasing the time duration. Okay, students. Now if you want sound to accompany the transition effect, click on the drop down arrow next to the sound option in the timing group and select the sound effect to accompany the transition. So here I am selecting breeze option. Okay, students, are you getting how to add transition effects? Yes. Now let's see setting slide timings. A self-running presentation is one in which you don't have to use the mouse or the keyboard to advance the slides. In other words, the slides advance on their own. You can either set the timings for your slides manually or automatically while you reverse. In the next, we will see two methods, that is method 1 to set timings manually and method 2 to set timings automatically. So let's see. Students, let's see method 1, that is to set timings manually. Click on the slide for which timing has to be set. So here I am selecting third slide. Okay, students. Now click on the transitions tab and here in timings group you can see on mouse click option in advanced slide. Okay, students. So here you have to uncheck on mouse click option. Now you have to enter the amount of time for which you want to display the slide in after option. So here I am increasing till 10 seconds. Okay, students. Now you have to repeat these steps for other slides in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, students, are you getting? Now students, let's see second method, that is to set timings automatically. First of all, click on the slideshow tab and then in the setup group you can see here rehearse timings. Click on it and then you can see here the presentation starts playing in the full screen mode and the recording toolbar appears. This is recording toolbar. Now practice presenting the slide and when you are ready to move to the next slide, click the next button on the recording toolbar. Similarly, go through all the slides in the presentation. Okay, students? Now, afterwards, at the end of the slideshow, a dialog box appears with the total time of a presentation. Click Yes to accept the timings. Now click on this Yes button. Okay, students? Are you getting? Yes. Students, let's see our last topic, that is printing a presentation. Students, let's see how to print a presentation. First of all, click on the File tab and then click on the Print option. Now here you can see the print pane appears with the print settings on the left side and the preview of the presentation on the right side. Now enter the number of copies to be printed in the copies box. Here you have to select number of copies. Here I am selecting 1 copy. Then select the printer to be used for printing. So here you have to select the name of your printer. Okay, students? And then choose the slides to be printed. So here you have to click on print all slides. You can also see here other options are given. Print selection, print current slide and custom range. So here I am selecting print all slides. So we will get all the slides. And then next is given, choose how you would like your presentation to appear on the page. So here other options are also given and I am selecting full page slides. Okay. And the second last option is given. If you are printing multiple copies, you can choose between the collated and uncollated option. So here you have to select collated option. And the last one is you have to choose the color mode of your printing presentation. So here I am selecting color. Okay. And then in the last you have to click on print button. Then you can see here save print output as dialog box. So here you have to give the name of your file and then click on the save button. Okay, students, and then you will get your printed presentation. Okay, students, are you getting? Yes. Students, in today's session, we learned printing a presentation, settings, slide timings, and transitions effects. Students, I request you all to practice this session and revise all the sessions again. Okay, students? Students, let's see the quick recap of this chapter. Sound and video clips can be inserted in a PowerPoint presentation. The media group on the Insert tab has options for adding audio and video to a slide. Animation effects can be applied to objects such as text, pictures, charts, and so on. The animation effects are available in the animation group on the animation tab. Next is transition effects can be added from the transition to the slide group on the transition tab. You can record the timings for slideshow by using the rehearse timings option on the slideshow tab. Last, you can print the slides, notes pages or outline pages of a presentation. So students, I request you to read this chapter and practice at your home. My dear brave students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.